Hello students, welcome in our second session of our lesson fire, friend and foe. Means is the fire our friend or our enemy? Students, this is our question and answer session. Before this we have learned whole the lesson in first session, right? So let's start with the question number 1. Mark the correct answer in each of the following. And the first one is early man was frightened of. Options are lightning and volcanoes, the damage caused by them, and fire. And the answer is fire. The early man was frightened of fire. What is fire? The second question is what is fire? You have to choose correct answer. Fire is the energy, fire is heat and light, fire is the result of chemical reaction, and the reason is, or the answer is, fire is the result of chemical reaction. Question number 2. From the above boxes given below, choose the one with the correct order of the following sentences. Here jumble order of the sentence is given. You have to put them in a correct order. The first sentence is that is fire. Second, a chemical reaction takes place. Third, energy in the form of heat and light is released. Oxygen combines with carbon and hydrogen. So these four sentences are given and the options are given here. So the correct option is the fourth one. Means fourth sentence comes first, that is oxygen combines with carbon and hydrogen. Then it will come second. Look at that, a chemical reaction takes place when oxygen combines with carbon and hydrogen. Third one is the energy is formed of heat and light is released. The energy formed because of reaction is released in the form of heat and light, and that is called as fire. The first sentence come fourth one. Okay students, so this is the correct order for you. Working with the text, answer the following questions. Question number 1. What do you understand by the flash point of fuel? Solution. Every fuel catches fire at a particular temperature. This temperature is called flash point of a fuel. Right students? Then upon look next question. Question number 2. What are some common uses of fire? What are some common uses of fire? And the answer is fire is used in cooking, to keep our homes warm during winter. Fire is also used to produce electricity. We have discussed it during our lesson. Then question number 2, in what sense is it a bad master? Answer is if fire goes out of control, it can cause damage to our life, house and property. It is a bad master in this sense. Okay students, if fire goes out of control. Question number 3, match items in column A with those in column B. A column, first of all we will read and then we will see the solution. Fuel, oxygen, heat. And in column B the options or suggestions are lighted matchsticks, air, coal, burning coal, wood and smoldering paper. Let's see the solution. Here fuel fuel fuels are coal, burning coal, wood, smoldering paper and cooking gas are all are the fuels. Oxygen, it is present in the air, and heat means lighted matchsticks, burning and coal. Okay students, so this is the answer for you. Look at question number 4. What are the three main ways in which a fire can be controlled or put out? The solution is fire can be put out by taking away the fuel. This is the first one. Second, stopping the supply of oxygen or by lowering down the temperature around the fuel so that fuel is not able to attain its flash point. So these are the three ways from which we can control the fire or put out it. Okay students, then question number 5. Here you have also have to match the pairs. To burn paper or piece of wood, we required dot dot small fires can be put out. When water is sprayed on fire, a carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing. Space left between buildings. So let's see what are the correct choices for the given points. To burn paper or a piece of wood, we heat it before catches fire. Right? Small fires can be put out with a damp blanket. Okay. When water is sprayed on fire, it absorbs heat from the burning material and lowers the temperature. A carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best thing to put out an electrical fire. Space left between buildings reduces risk of fire. Okay students, write all these things in your notebook. Okay, let's see. Working with a language, read the following sentences and then answer. To burn paper or piece of wood, we heat it before it catches fire. We generally do it with a lighted match. Every fuel has a particular temperature at which it burns. The verb here in italics, look at that verbs. We heat, we heat. Then we generally do, we generally do. Then every fuel has. Okay, the verb that here we make them dark actually are in a present tense, are in a present tense. When we use it, we are not thinking only about the present. We use it to say that something happens all the time and repeatedly, or that something is true in general. Find 10 examples of verbs in the simple present tense in the text: fire, friend and foe, and write them down here. Do not include any passive verbs. Okay, so use just the sentences which have simple present tense, simple present tense. Okay students, let's see. The solution is here. I have written examples for you. Fire is a result of chemical reaction. Here is in simple present. This is what we call fire. It is also simple present. To burn a piece of paper or wood, we heat it before it catches fire. Here also you can see word heat and catches are in simple present. Oxygen comes, here comes is a verb and it will be here in a simple present. Oxygen comes from the air. It is sometimes said that fire is good servant but a bad master. Then the third way to putting out a fire is to remove heat. So here is the verb. Like this you can read these sentences and write them in your notebook. We spend millions of rupees each year in fighting fire. Here spend is a verb. It absorbs heat from burning fuel. Absorb is a verb here. It only means that fire is very useful. Fire is still worship in many parts of the world. This is a 10th sentence, right? So in all cases there is a simple present tense is used. Okay students, write all the sentences properly. Question number 2, fill in the blanks in the sentences below with words from the box. You may use a word more than once. So here some words are given. You can or you may use a word more than once. Okay, so carbon, cause, fire and smoother are the words. Let's see what are the correct choices for the blanks. Gandhiji's life was devoted to the dot dot of justice and fair play. So the correct answer is Gandhiji's life was devoted to the cause of justice and fair play. So cause is the right answer. Have you inspired your house against fire? Okay, then diamond is nothing but carbon in its purest form. Diamond is a allotrope of carbon. Okay students, so here carbon is the right answer. Then look at that. If you put too much coal on the fire at once, you will fire it. If you put too much of coal at once at a fire, then you will fire it. Then smoking is said to be main cause of heart disease. Here cause is the right choice. Then, when asked by an ambitious writer whether he should put some cause into his stories, Samarist Mogham murmured, "No, the other way round." So here cause is the right choice. She is carbon copy of her mother. So carbon is the right choice. Then it is often difficult to cause yawn when you listen to a long speech on the value of time. So here cause is the right choice. Right, students? Then look at that question number 3. One word is italic in each sentence. Find its opposite in the box and fill in the blanks. So you can just see the one word which was italic, then we are going to write the opposite of it. Here you were required to keep all the doors open. Here open is the word, you have to write the opposite of it. So not shut, shut is the opposite of open. Then what mark did I get yesterday maths test? You got what when you add? Look at that word add is italic here, and the opposite of add is subtract. So I will read that sentence again. Pupil said, "What did I get in yesterday's maths test?" Teacher replied, "You got what when you add 5 and subtract 5 and 10 from the total." So add and subtract are the opposite words. So run for kilometers a day to preserve your death. Run a lot more to destroy it. Okay, so preserve and destroy have opposite meaning. Preserve and destroy. Okay, students. Then if a doctor advises a lean and lanky patient to reduce his weight further, be sure he is doing it to his income. So increase and reduce are the opposite words. Then question number 5th, the word is too much with us. Let and soon. Getting and spending, the opposite word of getting is spending. We lay waste our powers. Wordsworth. Okay, like this we are finished this question. Then question number 4, use the words given in the box to fill the blanks in the sentence below. Use the words given in the box. Across, along, past and through are the words, and you have to just complete the sentence with the correct word. Okay, students, I will help you to do that. The cat chased the mouse across the lawn. So across is the right choice. We were not allowed to cross the frontier, so we draw along it as far as we could and come back happy. So along is the right choice. The horse went past the winning post and had to be stopped with the difficulty. So past is the right choice. It is not difficult to see through your plan. Anyone can see your motive. So through is the right choice. Go along the yellow line, then turn left. You will reach the post office in 5 minutes. So go along. So along is the right and correct answer. Okay, students. So write all these sentences in your notebook. Last question, speaking and writing. Question number 1. Look at the following 3 units or 3 sentences. First reorder them and then write them in the items in which unit to make meaningful sentence. Next, reorder the sentence to make a meaningful paragraph. Use correct punctuation marks in the paragraph. Let's see. Here the answer is, the fire began on Monday. An 18 fire tender struggled to douse the blaze till morning. Over 25 shops were gutted in a major fire. And third one is, no casualties were reported, but properties worth several lakhs were destroyed. So this is the correct order of the given sentence. Okay students, also I have arranged all the sentences in a right order. Okay students, here our question and answer session is finished. Okay, thank you for hearing. Write all the questions in your notebook. Okay students, thank you.